The private sector maintained its growth trajectory in October. The S&P Global South Africa PMI came in at 50.6 during the month. This is slightly down from September's easing, but is still above the 50 mark, which indicates growth. The PMI has now signaled expansion for 3 consecutive months. October's growth was largely due to a decline in business costs and selling prices. The surge in the gold price has added some shine to Sibanye Stillwater's third quarter performance. Adjusted EBITDA rose 9% to 3.3 billion rand year on year. That's as the yellow metal division's contribution to EBITDA increased at threefold, and this is likely to continue. CEO Neil Froneman says the group's gold mines are expected to generate substantial cash flow. This comes as Sibanye's platinum group metal operations remain in a difficult position. The firm's third quarter update notes that although its US PGM business improved production and cost efficiency, low platinum and palladium basket prices kept all-in sustaining costs above market rates. This resulted in continued losses, and so further additional cost-cutting measures are being implemented to maintain the operation's sustainability. Marion Roberts has flagged lower half-year profit. The engineering and contracting services firm expects its headline earnings per share to decline by at least 20%. It says the lack of a working capital facility for its South African businesses has led to liquidity constraints and has given rise to substantial losses, especially in OptiPower. Murray has also pointed to the descoping of the De Beers Venetia project, which made up more than 50% of its cementations business in SA. Sirius Real Estate has its sights on growth and so has acquired an industrial park in the UK and a strategic land parcel in Germany. The firm picked up the industrial park for just over £9 million. This represents an 11.4% net initial yield, including acquisition costs. The transaction adds about 16,000 square meters of light industrial space to the group's UK portfolio. The deal has been funded using proceeds of July's capital raise. The land parcel is adjacent to Sirius's Oberhausen multi-use business park. This provides the opportunity for the firm to expand the park through a potential development. And gender diversity in the JSE's top 40 leadership remains elusive and inconsistent. That's according to shareholder activist group Just Share. The firm's latest Women in Leadership report shows that women occupy 36% of board positions. This is a 1% increase from 2023. But the uptick is not the result of more women taking up board roles, but rather a decline in male board members. At the executive level, female representation dropped to 23%, down from 25% in the previous year, while a mere 5 companies in the top 40 have female board chairs and only 4 are led by female CEOs.